talking about dinosaurs. We're going to be talking about my presents. One day, you can show me your presents too. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. I'm going to show you my presents, but first, you have to guess where they are. You think it's number 1, or number 2, or number 3? You think it's number 1?
Yes.
Let's open it. No, wrong. You think it's number 3? Okay, let's see. Wrong again. That means it's number 2. This one. Yeah, mini dinosaurs. Yahoo! These guys look little, but they're big fun. We don't have time to play with them now, so we'll play with them in another episode. I promise. Bye, guys! Let's see the next toy. Is it under pillow 1, pillow 2, or pillow 3? You think it's pillow 1? I can't hear you. I still can't hear you. You think it's pillow 1? Nothing. Wrong. You think it's pillow 2? I can't hear you. You think it's pillow 2? Nothing. Wrong again. You think it's pillow 3? Okay, let me lift it up. Yeah, it's pillow 3. Look what I found. It's Godzilla. You know something cool about Godzilla? He looks like a dinosaur, but he's still not. But you know something cool about Godzilla? He has atomic breath and these weights on his back for fighting. But like I said, he's still not a dinosaur. He's kind of like a lizard monster. Well, we don't have any more time to talk about Godzilla, so let's move on to toy number 3. Yahoo! Next one, instead of guessing where it is, we're going to guess what it is. I'm going to take away one pillow at a time, and if you know what it is, yell it out. Whoa, I see a head. Whoa, it has a tail and feet. If you know it yet, it is a T-Rex! This is a very cool T-Rex. Whoa, these T-Rexes have teeth that are the size of a banana! Wow! A T-Rex is one of the famous dinosaurs because it's the king of the dinosaurs. But even though it's deadly, it doesn't even kill its prey. It mostly just eats dead animals. Pretty cool fact. But this is my best present. This is my favorite toy that I got for Christmas. The Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage. My favorite part about it is that the T-Rex eats the cars when it's racing. This is how it works. Line it up. And then the cars go. And the T-Rex goes and rides faster. Oh! Bye, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you had a lot of presents too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And bye, guys.